Hi guys, Igor Pechkovsky's here, your real estate agent with Windermere Bellevue Commons. Today, I want to talk about what had happened in real estate in Seattle and the East Side over the past months of January. You probably heard that the market been tight, that inventory is low, but I want to look at what are the numbers are exactly for the East Side and Seattle, what's the data shows us, and what we can do about it. And also, in the end of this video, I'll tell you what are the top business news that I see had happened over the past months of January. So stay tuned, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and here we go. Competition was fierce over the months of January, and the reason for it, inventory. In the whole King County, there were only 1,055 homes that had sold in the months of January. That's a decrease of 33% since the last January of 2020. But what is crazier, that Sammamish County only had, can you believe it, 298 homes for sale. That's a decrease of 63% since the last year. The only bright spot for the inventory were a condominium market. So condos inventory had increased by 50% in the whole King County. But increased inventory didn't mean that the prices went down. For the King County, the prices were flat. Seattle added 10% for the price, for the median price of a condo in Seattle, and 7% the price increased in the city of Bellevue. And what did it all translate to? Well, you guessed it right, the prices went up. And they went up at the speed of the second largest, fastest growing market in the country. So right now, let's look closer specifically at where the numbers are for the East Side and Seattle. East Side goes first. Here it is. So inventory on the East Side were down 58% since the last year. That sent price soar. And the median price, as you could see on this graph, went up to $1.15 million. That's an increase of 29% since the last year. Ouch. The inventory is only 1.5 of a month. What that means is there would be no new homes coming on the market. Everything would sell off in only like 15 to 16 days, which is really, really fast market. 65% of homes had sold in 15 days or less, and 50% of homes sold above the list price. Seattle market was a little less hot, which is great. So we had, as you see on this slide, a median price of a home increased to $791,000. That's an increase of 10% since the last year. The month's supply of inventory was 0.8. It's still a very much seller's market, but 0.8 is a bit better than the East Side. 49% of homes sold in 15 days or less, and 28% sold above list price. That means Seattle still a very hot market, not as hot as the East Side, but metrics-wise, nationwide, it's a very much seller's market in Seattle. And median prices for King County went up 15% to a new height of $725,000. And Sammamish County is not too far away, a new height of almost $600,000 for a median price of a home, which was an increase of 18% year over year up to date. The things that we also see right now, that we're moving into a better year than what 2020 was. We have vaccine is coming up. A lot of counties already in the phase 2, which is really, really good. We could enjoy things like outdoor dining again and some gatherings, such as open houses. Open houses are back now. Up to 10 people could visit the home, which is really, really good. So those factors of having a good year, I think, will point us in the direction of we will keep having a strong seller's market in 2021. So now that you know all of the metrics, the question is, what can you do about it? If you're the buyer, we recorded a video for you of how to compete in this strong seller's market, and the link will be in the description of this video. If you're the seller, yeah, you probably will sell your home with a few offers, but the question to you is, how do you maximize the value of your home, and how do you make sure you do not leave any money on the table if you're going to sell? Call us, we'll walk you over that as well. Guys, and we will wrap up this video with some of the top business news that I picked for you, some companies that are moving in to see what else is happening out there. So let's start with big one, Amazon. Two big industrial deals for Pierce County, including a new Amazon warehouse. They're increasing their footprint all around the Puget Sound. Lots of happening in Pierce County as everywhere else. Let's look at another one. We have it in Amazon opens Everett Distribution Center with 4 more planned for Puget Sound region. I chose this one. You know, people talk about Boeing. Boeing is moving out and oh my God, Everett will be dead. What will happen to Snohomish County? Well, I just told you what happens in Snohomish County. When one company is on its way out, another one increasing the footprint, it happened to be Amazon. Duke Realty makes mark on Puget Sound region, looks to grow its portfolio. A big commercial, second largest publicity trade industrial landlord in county after Prologis. I don't know those companies, but they're increasing their footprint. They are in the warehouse space and they look for more land around here to buy. Live in Las Vegas, gambling company moves headquarters to Kirkland. They are not a unicorn company, but more and more companies, besides the top names you heard, are moving to Kirkland to set up their headquarters around here. This is one of my favorite. Here are 9 Seattle area unicorns to watch. Unicorns, the company, their valuation is over $1 billion. Tanium, and I don't know what they do, to be frankly honest with you. Convoy, Althor, Rametly, OfferUp. I used OfferUp. Outreach, Quumulo, iCertis, Zenoti. Weird names, but the point of it is, we think about Google, Amazon, Microsoft. There is so much more out there. So many more other companies that pay their employees well, mid, small, different kind of sizes. They all are here. The other one, Sources, Tishman's Payer has deal to buy a large Bellevue development site. Everybody want a piece of Bellevue. And the last one, huge Redmond office sales show how hot the East Side office market is. They will have to go back to the office, either part-time, probably part-time, if not full-time, but some employees will be coming back, I think by the end of 2021. We'll see how it goes. Those are my top picks for you. There is demand around here for residential, for commercial office, warehouse, all kind of real estate around here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this market update. There are a lot of news, a lot of data, a lot of things happening. If any questions you have on anything specific, please reach out. I'd be happy to help, happy to consult on real estate. Igor Pechkovsky, Windermere Bellevue Commons. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and see you next week.